Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have about 4 minutes left on the camera before it dies, so I am going to try and see what's inside this, 'cause it's pretty heavy and I want to see what's inside. If I can open it before the camera dies. This is a pretty heavy box, and it is the Speed Duel GX Duelists of Shadows. Well, you can't see it because I'm not showing. The Darkness Awakens 8 ready-to-play decks. So I'm wondering if these are like structure decks. So I want to see what's inside first, and then once I charge up the camera, I'll continue recording. First thing off the bat, the cards are bent through the middle. Don't know how to feel about that. We have one of these decks, Vampire Genesis. We have an Evil Hero, Malicious Edge, Ruthless Means, and a Helios, the Primordial Sun. I don't know if this is in focus or not, but pretty much a playmats for every deck. So we got 4 mats, paper mats for every deck. So we got 4 decks in here. Not exactly, and we got some cards here that are not in good condition. These are completely bent vertically through the middle, so I'll have to see what this side that. But I gotta recharge the camera because it's about to die. So I'll be right back.